Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 45. A diagrammatic representation of the relationship between price and quantity demanded is referred to as A. Abnormal demand, B. Change in demand, C. Demand curve, D. Demand schedule, E. Derived demand. So we are asked for what the diagrammatic representation of relationship between price and quantity is referred to as. So what does it represent? So let's look at what each of the options mean and then pick out our answer. Now, abnormal demand is basically just any demand that deviates or any deviation from the conventional law of demand. So that will be referred to as an abnormal demand. Now, change in demand describes a shift in consumer desires to purchase a particular good or service, irrespective of change in price. Now, a demand curve, which is option C, is a graph or a diagram showing how the demand for a commodity varies with changes in price. Now, a demand schedule or market demand schedule is a tabulation or a table showing quantity of goods that consumers in a market will purchase at a given price. And lastly, option E, which is derived demand, is demand for a commodity which is or as a consequence of demand for something else. So that is what a derived demand means. Now, from the definitions we have given, option C, demand curve, we define it as a graph or a diagram showing how the demand for a commodity varies with changes in price. So it displays or it exhibits how demand of a commodity is related to the changes in price. So the correct answer is option C, which is demand curve, as it represents the relationship between price and quantity in a diagrammatic form. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.